Okay, this is my air intake cowl, and watch this. As you can see, just came right off. 2 screws that I have here, I don't put them back. These little latches, these are here, go right here in front, and you put it back in. That's it. It's in there. Taking it off again and putting it back in. Makes it a whole lot easier. There you go. Make sure it's caught here, down, done. And that's it. It won't come off. It won't come off. These extra screws you got, the screws that come with it is just extra cosmetics, causing it to make it more difficult for you to take it off, take it on. So you don't really need the screws. Just put the cover on, close the hood, and that's it. Now, let me show you what else I did. Guess what else I need to get in here to clean up. And let me show you. As you can see in there, it's filthy. I have something in there. Bring some light in here so you can see better. And you can see how that looks. See that? So there's some debris in there. Around it's fine. There's nothing wrong around it. It's all cleaned up. And then right here also, right there is clean. Right through there. All that, I keep make sure that's clean. As you can see, there's nothing inside. Clean. So let me take this out. There it is. This is what I use. Look at that. You can see how dirty it is. This is just a vent filter for the air vents on the home. So this came from. And I got a vacuum up in there. As you can still see some debris and leaves and stuff like that. And that's it. That's how I keep mine's clean. So I'm gonna do that right now. And when I do with this, I just wash it and it comes out clean. Big difference after I wash it. That's how it looks now. Cleaned it up already, nice and clean. It goes in this way. Go in there. Lay it down flat. Yep, it's already in there. Push it up a little bit so that way it covers this area right here. That's how it looks. Give you a close-up. As you can see, it's all in there, covering all the edges. That's how it looks from that angle. As you can see, it's all covered up in there. Can't get you all the way in there, but you see it's already surrounded. And from there too, see, right there. It's all covered up. So, got the filter on. And then from this point, take this right here. Remember, right here, these little latches, they go on to the front right here. And you feel it. Put it on. There you go. Done. Then close the hood. She's good to go. And that's how I take care of mine.